Hey! Watch your testicles. Good, baby.
Okay.
Hey, baby. We are headed to the sports complex in Springfield. Stay tuned. Follow us here to the sports complex. Sports complex. We're headed to Bobby Bobby Allison Sports Complex. What's it called?
I don't know.
It's basically a
Billy
massive.
and Bobby Allison.
Billy and Bobby Allison. Yes, it's a large sports complex where sports teams and kids can come from around the Southwest Missouri region to come and practice or play games. They have a massive complex. It's huge. They have outside fields, soccer fields that can be converted into football fields, depending upon what season it is. And then on the inside, they have volleyball, soccer, and I believe basketball. So you'll see when we get there, but it's pretty cool. They've got it set up to where at the change of a fly, they could just switch it around and turn it into a basketball facility, or change things around and make it a soccer field. So it's pretty cool. We're going out there today to put in just a couple of small sections of fence, a couple of gates, and basically just have a little enclosure for sports equipment.
Oh man, it's Betty and Bobby, not Bobby and Betty. Now I just feel stupid.
You want all the posts in there now, Matt?
Yeah, we get to So, we're here. We're inside the facility. We are in the far northwest. Basically putting a large gate here, just a single swing gate. It's about 6 foot wide. And we're going to be adding a little bit of chain link back there just to complete from the edge of the field over to the wall. We're doing one here, and then we're also going to do one on this back corner back here. And basically what that'll do is allow them to have this whole corner to store things, sports equipment or leftover balls or whatever they need the space for. But yeah, so the next section we're going to do is going to be right here in front of the goal. And again, just doing another gate to be able to swing open a little section of fence here. And I think they wanted a wide enough gate to be able to get large equipment back here if necessary for maintenance of the netting. But yeah, that's what we're here doing, and glad you're with us.
Oh, it's gooey.
What are you thinking, Matt?
And it's going good so far.
So far, so good.
What you got there, Eric?
It is a brace band. Rest of the top rail on our little 2 foot section of fence. Top rail, chain link, domes, easy as that.
Oh boy.
Oh, holy
Get
moly.
in your hole. Yeah, 18 and a half, and I said 5/8 if you're feeling lucky, and I think that's where I went. A little over 5/8. Let me go trim that down. Just shush, Matt, you shut.
It's not stealing, it's company property. As long as you use it for the company.
Words of wisdom with
Eric. Beautiful.
Gloves
Oh
are
my
coming
God.
off.
That is perfecto.
Man, what tool are you using? That's really cool. It seems handy.
I know, the bear claw.
Where can you find that?
Available at ozfence.store. Oh, what? You don't have any more of your own band bolts?
I do not. I'm completely bamboozled. Hey! Watch your testicles.
Hello there. It ain't toyed, it ain't right. Alright. Let's loosen this one up here.
Let's go. Maybe no, I don't want to go down just a little bit right there.
That'll be plumb straight right there.
Yeah, I do think so myself. Solid piece of fence.
Only one more to go.
Tension bar, man. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, you need like a tension bar holder. Just hold the tension bar where it needs to be.
Like a magnet.
Okay.
And we're done.
And we're done.
Damn it, Braden.
Tell me when.
You good?
Now?
Yep.
Okay. Tell me when. Just finished up out here. The whole goal behind coming out here was to do this correctly. Slam dunk it. Touchdown. Home run. We did a home run. I don't know, dude. We did a home run! So we just finished up out here. We got the 2 sections of fence put up. It was a slam dunk. A total touchdown. A home run, if you will. It went really smooth.
Nothing's too hard for the fence boys.
Yeah, they'll be able to come in here and get this puppy all the way open. Get their gear back in here in the corner, and yeah, should be a good little area for them to store stuff. So this side is done, and everything fits pretty well. And the other side we just wrapped up, so we're pretty much out of here.